how old they are, how big they are, everything. The branches that extend out, the leaves that come and go, change color. God's creation is beautiful. It really is beautiful, especially the trees. I would love to be the trees.
Hey, what's up?
Tree branches.
Ah. What is it with you and trees?
I just love them.
Hey.
I want to hug the tree.
Sure. I'll be here to help you if you get caught or stuck.
I won't. I want to be one with the tree. I wish you loved nature more. You're missing out on a lot of God's creation.
The boy with nature and a tree. How long are you going to be here?
Till dark.